Alright, one last short video on this subject. I just watched a bee climb up the hive, and then when it flew off, it went downward. And that can definitely be a sign of a robber. So I think I may have created a robbing situation by pulling out that board. The reason why I did it is that I could see the 1-inch entrance that I've reduced it down to right here, and it was pretty clogged up. But then the 4-inch entrance, which is buried, I could see all these bees inside wanting to get out, and so I thought that I was limiting them too much. So I pulled it out, but I believe what I created was a situation where bees from other hives were coming to steal honey and pollen. I can't be certain, but it doesn't look like all these bees that are here are coming in with nectar and pollen. There are some coming in with pollen, but there's an awful lot of activity, and I'd rather err on. See, now do you see the bees climbing up? The bees are climbing up and then trying to fly off. Not really sure if I'm correct with this behavior, but the fact that they're trying to climb up the hive so they can fly off and not end up on the ground could mean that they've gorged themselves on honey, which is an indication of other bees robbing the hive. I haven't seen any fighting, but that could mean that my bees aren't putting up too much resistance. Whereas if I saw brawling, then I would definitely know it was a situation. Now this one bee over here is acting very much like a security bee, going around and checking everybody. So one right there, right above the 1-inch entrance now, and seems to be chasing other bees and smelling them and checking them out. Yeah, and there's a fight. There's a fight that ended up on the ground right there. So I'm sorry, I have this on auto focus, so not sure how well it's focusing. Again, this is my first time using this as a video camera. So now I've seen multiple signs that this is a robbing situation, and hopefully I've solved it by reducing the entrance back down.